Are you looking for the best free software to boost your productivity, enhance your Windows experience, and make your life easier? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you 5 must-have free software that every Windows user should install right now. Let's dive in. First on our list is VLC Media Player, the king of video players. Whether it's a rare video format or a huge 4K movie file, VLC handles it all smoothly. Plus, it's completely free and ad-free. It supports almost every video and audio format out there. If you haven't installed VLC yet, you're missing out. Next up is Malwarebytes Free, your shield against malware and cyber threats. Even if you have an antivirus, Malwarebytes adds an extra layer of protection. Run occasional scans, and it'll help you stay safe from those sneaky threats hiding in your system. Coming in at number 3 is 7-Zip, the ultimate file archiver. It's lightweight, powerful, and completely free. It supports a variety of formats like zip, RAR, and 7Z, and it's perfect for managing large files efficiently. At number 2, we have Brave Browser, a secure, privacy-focused alternative to mainstream browsers. It's perfect for people who want faster browsing without the hassle of intrusive ads and trackers. Brave is super fast, saves bandwidth by blocking ads, and even rewards you with BAT tokens for browsing. If you care about privacy, this is the browser for you. And finally, at number 1, we have ShareX, the ultimate screenshot and screen recording tool. Whether you need to grab a quick screenshot or record your screen, ShareX does it all effortlessly. It's highly customizable, feature-packed, and perfect for tutorials, presentations, or even memes. These tools are free, reliable, and can make your Windows experience much smoother. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tech tips. Comment below and let me know which software you're already using, or if you have other recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy computing!